Man, the way they make some of these cars, as far as working on them, who the fuck came up with the design? It's more to just taking the damn battery out just to do a turn signal bulb. You actually gotta fucking take this whole bumper off just to do a turn signal bulb. Well, let me start taking all this shit off for a damn turn signal bulb. Let me get it going. All right, so I done got it off. This is what it's looking like. So as far as the headlight assembly, it is 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts that hold it on. It's one right here, it's one underneath here, and there's another right here, and then you got to peel this part from underneath there. So now a sis can fucking get to the goddamn light bulb, and the turn signal bulb is right here. So you twist it out, and let's see what we got. So for these Nissan Altimas, I believe I went to Advanced Auto, and the part number I got Sylvania, and it's called Long Life, and the part number is 7444NA. So yeah, make sure you wear gloves when you do this. So obviously you take out your new bulb, you twist out, you pull out the old one, and then you pretty much just snap that sucker right on in there. And you want to make sure that it works. So I don't have to start the car all the way. So I'm not going to depress the pedal. I'm just going to push the push button twice, and we're going to turn the turn signal on. Let's see what we got. And voila, we are back in business. I don't fucking have to worry about getting pulled over because I got a light out. So let's make sure the back working. Even though I got it for both back and front, I might as well just go ahead and replace this one too. I put some wax on here, so I'm letting the wax dry, and now I gotta wipe the wax off. Yeah, honey, wax on, wax off, wax on, wax off.